Good morning, children. Today we are going to teach rational numbers introduction part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. These numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers is denoted by n. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Adding to these numbers 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity, these numbers are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. Adding to negative numbers -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. These numbers are called integers. Integers are denoted by Z. In a retail stationery shop, each pen costs rupees 5. One pen cost is rupees 5. Two pens cost is rupees 10. Three pens cost is rupees 15. 4 pence cost is rupees 20. 5 pence cost is rupees 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These numbers are natural numbers. In wholesale stationery shop, the shopkeeper says that a packet of 5 pens cost is rupees 22. One pen cost is rupees 22 by 5. Is there any natural number to represent this cost? No. Is there any whole number to represent this cost? No. This number cannot be represented by a natural number or whole number or integer. We need a fractional number to represent this cost. Taking some other examples. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, minus 7 by 5, 7, 201 by 2020. What can be called these numbers? These numbers include both positive and negative fractional numbers and can be written as P by Q form, where Q is not equal to 0, P can be positive or negative. The number which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. These are called rational numbers, and the set of all rational numbers is denoted by Q. These are called quotient numbers. Fractional numbers and be written as P by Q form. Where Q does not equal to 0, P can be positive or negative. For example, 5 written as 5 by 1 or 10 by 2 or 15 by 3. 5 is a natural number. We can express any natural number in P by Q form. Taking 0. 0 is written as 0 by 1 or 0 by 2 or 0 by 3. 0 is a whole number. Similarly, we can also express any whole number in P by Q form. Taking another example, that is minus 3. Minus 3 written as minus 3 by 1 or minus 6 by 2 or minus 9 by 3. Minus 3 is an integer. Similarly, we can also express integer in P by Q form. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are integers. All natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers are integers. All whole numbers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers. We can conclude that all natural numbers, all whole numbers, and all integers are rational numbers. Students, do this problem. Consider the following collection of numbers 1, 1 by 2, minus 2, 0.5, 4, 1 by 2, minus 33 by 7, 0. Write these numbers under the appropriate category, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. In given numbers, 1 is natural number. Then 1, 0 is whole numbers. Then 1, 0, minus 2 are integers. In given numbers, 1, 1 by 2, minus 2, 0.5, 4, 1 by 2, minus 33 by 7, 0. These numbers are rational numbers. Student, please note down this problem. We understand today what are the rational numbers. Rational numbers are in P by Q form. All natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are called rational numbers. Today we are going to give a problem to homework. Do this problem at your home. This problem show to your teacher. Thank you, children.